Good morning, this is Sean Taylor with Silver Creek Realty Group, and I want to welcome you to 10319 Rockaway Ridge in Northeast Nampa. A couple miles off the freeway, close to shopping, schools, great restaurants. This house was completed, I believe, in May of 2024. 2,483 square feet, 5-bedroom, 4 full baths, and a bonus room. The 5th bedroom can be used as an office. Nice landscaping. Notice the nice wide driveway, how the concrete extends out here on the side. Some of the builders only poured it right here. So when you get out of your car, you might be stepping into snow or the grass. Full rain gutters. There's a wing fence over here and gate. Also a gate over here, which is really nice for taking out the trash. It's got the rain chain coming down here. And then one of the really nice features here is you got a nice wide driveway, but across the street you also have plenty of parking for your guests and company. All right, let's head up to the front here. Perimeter landscape, lava chip rock, covered front patio. Nice pretty front door, ring alarm system. I don't think that's included, but could probably be negotiated. And we'll take a look. Okay, as we're walking through the front door here, nice black door. The first thing you'll really notice is just this beautiful wood ceiling, custom stained. Newer light fixtures in here. Even the wood grate is done. You'll notice the Sun Valley texturing on the walls. The flat panel electrical. Zoom out a little bit here for you. And I like the nice architectural touch here of putting the archway in. Off to our immediate left is bedroom number 5, which is also makes a great office. The blinds. And a closet here. And another non-builder light fixture. And then boom, you've got the kitchen here. Absolutely love this kitchen. There's so much counter and cabinet space here. Most of the homes are pardon me, L-shaped, and this is a U-shaped kitchen. And you've got the quartz countertops here. Full tile backsplash. The builder had these cabinets kind of a, I don't know, brownie gray color. And the homeowner had them professionally painted. Stainless steel appliances. And of course you've got the same wood trim right here. It just brings that warmth to the room. Like that front entry. You've got the nice deep stainless steel sink and a nice tall faucet that obviously pulls out. Window overlooking the backyard. Sorry, it's super early in the morning, so it's still dark outside. Curtain rods. The homeowner pulled out the small cabinet that was here and added the nice wood touches and floating shelves. These are solid. Got the stainless steel gas range, Frigidaire, and microwave, and an LG fridge, which is included. Of course, it has the water and ice cubed or crushed. Now, here's one of my favorite things in this house. You've got this, pretty standard, nice big corner pantry. Super clean. Got a little pot rack holder down here. Pan holder that's kind of connected to the ground there, so you can put your big pans in there. Obviously, you've got tons of storage space in here. You can see the big family room. Also, drop pendant lighting right here. Also custom added the crown molding on the cabinets. but here was, the homeowners added this. So you've got the double barn door here, and they're really smart and brought this out all the way. So again, kind of the U-shaped thing, just for additional storage, and this goes all the way around. Got tons of backup filters here, which you should change regularly. And the full bath on the main. So very, very rare to have a 4-bath house in the, in the 24, 83 square foot range. Usually they're 2.5 bath. So that's really nice feature, especially if you had, pardon me, somebody elderly that was staying with you or disabled, to be able to not have to go upstairs for the full bath. And here's the big family room. Now notice real quick that you've got room for any size dining here. So the custom dining light added, and you can put your table this way, you could go this way, and you've got room for pretty much any size gathering. And honestly, if the holiday, if you wanted to put a couple tables there, you probably could. Plus you have bar seating here, 2 or 3 chairs. And huge family room. Cabinets were purchased at IKEA and professionally installed by a gentleman who pretty much that's all he does is install IKEA cabinets and furniture. And then the woodwork was done by a craftsman. Very pretty. And then you've got the nice wood, low profile ceiling fan here. Oh, inside that entertainment center also, it has the lights inside, and also it's got a Smurf tube through here. So that was added by the homeowners. The Smurf tube is the tube that goes down from here. It's built into the wall. Mount pretty much any size TV you want right here in this space. Pretty great. Here's a, pardon me, I have a dry cough. Here's another look at that entryway. Now this whole main level was originally kind of the same color as this wall here, just more of the gray tone, gray with the white trim. But the homeowners wanted this light and bright, so this whole downstairs was painted as well. All right. Last but not least, down here on the main level, you've got the under the stairs storage space, and this goes all the way back down and around. And of course your crawl space access point. Homeowners added this little thing here so you can hang your brooms or mops or whatever. Nice feature. And actually, while I'm on the main, let me go ahead and show you the garage. Go back past our pantry. There's a dog door installed here, and an additional dog door here. And the garage has been nice and wide, so you've got almost 2.5 feet on each side, which is great. So when you pull in the cars, you actually have room to open your doors or put in 18 to 24 inch storage racks along the side there. You have a conditioned crawl space, which means they don't have the vents along the foundation. It circulates the air through the crawl space. It's an Energy Star rated home, water heater, and it's got a tank insulation cover that's ready to be installed. Just waiting until it goes under contract to put that on, so that the inspector can go through it the way they want to, make sure they see it without any encumbrances. And of course you got the full sprinkler system, automated, etc. Okay. Oh, and then you have a couple other little features like this. This is staying. It's just a little mail rack. Hang your keys on there, put your cell phones, etc. I'm bouncing all around, but anyway, I love how they wrap the wood all the way around to the side. And you can see how nice and thick that wood is. It's not just a veneer. It just looks fantastic. Very well done. cool. And you have a Frigidaire stainless steel dishwasher as well. One more little thing. Very meticulous homeowner. Even always had the rubber pad here under the sink instead of destroying the wood like majority of homes that I see. It's a great idea. And they added larger little bumpers here just so when they shut, they're not as loud. All right, let's head upstairs. You'll notice the two-tone paint here. Very neutral colors. Pretty wide staircase, capped. Off to the left is the primary suite, laundry room, bathroom, bedroom, bedroom, another bath, bedroom, and bonus. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the primary bedroom. So here's the main bedroom. Ceiling fan, accent wall, dark blue. Pretty amazing curtains and rods here. Got the double rod there, hung all the way to the 8-foot ceiling. Again, it's dark outside. Another Smurf tube added to the wall over here. Also has the cable outlet here. TVs are negotiable. Then you have the nice big walk-in closet with some built-ins, some window treatment for privacy on that window. A lot of windows in this house as well. This is the primary bath, his and her sinks, and custom light fixtures, and medicine cabinets built into the wall. And you get to see yours truly. Really well done. These are the same and they open up the right way. Lots of mirrors, little gadgets to hold them up, little bars to put across. And separate shower tub, which is also fairly rare in this size of home. Beautiful soaker tub here with a window and the obscured glass. Nice little features like this that remain with the towel rack and this custom piece also from IKEA that is installed, secured tightly. And then you have the private locking commode. And this toilet was upgraded. It was added on by the homeowner with an outlet added as well down here in case somebody wanted to have a bidet. All right. Walking into the laundry area, you have the almost brand new dryer, Samsung, and washer. All these cabinets were added and countertop. So lots of storage space in here. Plenty of, gosh, I was gonna say it again, storage space. Very nice. It is early in the morning, folks, so have mercy on me. Second thermostat, there's one downstairs also that on the family room wall that was actually moved a little bit to accommodate more artwork, mirrors, whatever. Okay, I guess this would be bathroom number 3 that we've seen. The builder had quartz countertops throughout the entire house, and new light fixtures were added by the owners. Towel bar was added, and this giant medicine cabinet here. Again, window added here. These are builder type upgrades that were done. And next bedroom, call this the green wall room. Cute little ceiling fan here. Also on a remote, and the obscured glass here as well for privacy. And this looks right out at the model home for the neighborhood, if you can see it over there. Closet. Next bedroom. I guess it'd be bedroom number 4. Again, cute ceiling fan. I think there was 7 ceiling fans added. Blinds. And now this area is pretty nifty. If you put a door right here, you would have almost like mother-in-law quarters. So you've got the bonus room here with built-in cabinetry. Very well done. You can adjust these any way you want. But I think this is more than, gosh, about 30 inches deep. Really nice deep cabinets here. Full bath. Again, nice light fixtures. This one also has the upgraded shower head with the detachable wand and a window. The brushed nickel finishes, towel bar. Another Smurf tube added here. Goes up with the mounted TV, again negotiable. And bedroom number 5. This bedroom's a little bit bigger than the other ones and looks out over the street. And closet. I guess I haven't shown you any closets, but I'll show you closet's closet. Like so. And the blinds. Okay, well, if you have any questions about this house, feel free to contact your agent. This is Sean Taylor with Silver Creek Realty Group, and I thank you for touring the home with me. Okay, let's head outside. You'll notice the nearly brand new 10 by 20 covered and permitted back patio. Very low maintenance backyard. You've got the rock all the way across the back, which is just smart. Keep water away from your house. The huge air conditioner. And the homeowners added some concrete steps over here to put their trash cans. Security camera. The rain chains also guttered off of the cover out here. Additional security camera and lights out here. Again, not included, but negotiable. Rain gutters with extensions that go out, which is a smart way to do it. And again, very low maintenance. Fully fenced, fully landscaped. When you're buying new, that's very spendy. Okay, we're leaving the subject property, and I just going to show you the community features real quick. This neighborhood is growing, and like I said, it's in a great location, very close north of the freeway, which is super important because when you take the 84 exit heading south is where there's tons of traffic, and you get off heading north, you just zip past everybody, which is really nice. But so right around the corner, definitely within short walking distance, you have the community park. This is a little dog park right here in that caged in area. And of course you have the play structure there. There's several little parks throughout the neighborhood as well. I don't think they have play structures as much, but, and then that building right there is the community center. On the left-hand side of it is the weight room, that to the left there. And then of course you have a nice in-ground pool. Okay, again, thank you for touring with Sean Taylor, Silver Creek Realty Group. Blessings.